My name is Ushushi Pal. Currently, I am placed in two companies. The first one is Capgemini and the second one is PwC. And talking about the contribution of this college in my placement journey, I can't say the whole thing in words because the college has helped me more than I have ever expected. They have built the version of me which I am today. So, as we all know, the industry is changing rapidly, the technologies are changing rapidly, so it is very important for us as a trainee or as a student to learn things by ourselves. So HIT taught me the exact thing, how to learn things by myself within a short period of time. And apart from that, HIT taught me how to communicate, how to be professionally sound, and how to have a good personality overall. That will definitely give me an edge when I will join the corporate. There are several training programs which are held within our college. There are in-house trainings also, which we all also undergone when we are in our third years. And in the final year also, not only about AI, HIT focused on every single technical stuffs which are coming in front of us by the corporate. Like automation is one thing, DevOps is another thing, and AI is obviously the thing. So regularly they arrange some of the other trainings or the talks with experts, expert talks. Yes, they take more than enough steps to make us ready to face the boom, the AI boom. So one thing I would like to mention that don't depend on anyone's opinion. I am giving one opinion that this particular channel helped me a lot for preparing DSA. That may or may not work for you. So take time to know yourself, what is working for you, what is not working for you, and build yourself from scratch. That would help to build the basic, because when you advance in your journey, if your base is not strong, the structure will fall down. So that will be an opinion from my side.